Wait, no, I got it.
You sure?
I promise, because it's counting up. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Carl, look at this.
They're like glasses.
Oh.
I'll be right back.
You're not looking!
I'm watching.
Never mind. Where are you going?
Just pretend like I'm there.
So, Carla. How did I know you're gonna do that?
Does that scare you?
No.
Dang it. I said boo. Who says boo?
It's scary people do. I would have said rawr.
I normally just scream. That freaks everyone out.
There's a bug.
No, sir, that is my cell phone.
No.
I'm kidding.
Right there.
So we're gonna get sick.
Probably.
I'm supposed to be seeing a movie tomorrow.
What if you have to work?
And I'm gonna be mad and frustrated, and I'm gonna punch someone.
That's not violent at all, Carla.
I think I'll text and see if I am working. But my phone shuts off.
Oh. It's really boring. Maybe like do
I'm
something.
gonna shoot myself. Hands up. I will flash you.
Cameron told me to flash him the other day. What's it? Like, camera phone? I was like, I laughed.
Flash me, Sarah.
It was funny.
Did you flash him?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Oh.
I think we should flash them.
I will flash them.
I'm ready. Ready to flash?
I flashed you. Look at my new
You
cool
take good
bracelet.
pictures.
Dang it, it broke. God, look at my bracelet.
Isn't it just yummy? I would like to eat your wrist.
Cannibal.
I'm not a cannibal.
Yeah.
I just think you're dead sexy.
Oh.
Enough to be eaten alive. Flesh.